Did you know that using the right fertilizers can double the blooms in your flowering plants? Let's find out how. Today, we're diving into the best fertilizers specifically designed to boost the growth and blooms of your flowering plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding fertilizers can really make a difference in your garden's beauty. Many gardeners struggle to find the right fertilizers that provide essential nutrients while promoting vibrant flowers. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming. Some fertilizers can be too harsh, while others lack the necessary nutrients. You might have experienced your flowers barely blooming despite your best efforts, or maybe they wilt faster than you'd like. It's frustrating, right? You want your garden to be alive with color and vitality, but the right products aren't always easy to find. So, how do you choose wisely? We'll explore various types of fertilizers, including organic and synthetic options, and discuss their benefits for flowering plants. Organic fertilizers, like compost and manure, provide a slow release of nutrients and improve soil health. They promote beneficial microorganisms, which are crucial for plant growth. On the flip side, synthetic fertilizers offer a quick nutrient boost, which is perfect for those times when your plants need an immediate pick-me-up. Various formulations, and understanding the NPK ratio, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, can help you choose the right one for your flowering plants. Nitrogen supports leafy growth, phosphorus is essential for blooms, and potassium strengthens overall plant health. So, it's all about balance. Be revealing the top 3 fertilizers that can significantly enhance your plant's blooming potential and growth. First up, we have a balanced organic fertilizer, like a 5-10-5 mix. This one's fantastic for promoting vibrant blooms without being too harsh on the plants. Next, consider using a slow-release synthetic fertilizer, such as Osmocote, which slowly feeds your plants over time, ensuring they have nutrients when they need them the most. Finally, for those special occasions, a liquid fertilizer like fish emulsion can provide a quick nutrient boost right when your plants need it, especially during blooming season. By combining these 3 fertilizers, you can create a powerful feeding schedule that supports your plants all season long. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more gardening tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with fertilizers and any tips you have for boosting blooms. Happy gardening!